Hi all, this is the install video for the FRT Parts Kit. First thing you want to do, let the hammer forward, take off the selector lever right here. So you're going to slide that part out this little bar right here that holds in it's your retaining pin for your trigger and hammer. And then once you have that out, you're going to slide this out. And then you're going to take out the trigger that it came with. Now, we do not recommend you use Tapco triggers. For whatever reason, these just suck and they don't work. So if you have a Tapco trigger, just buy a different one. For the purposes of this video, we are using just a normal Romanian surplus parts kit trigger, just like this, preferably with one prong. They do work with two, but just anything besides a Tapco. Now, go on to the parts kit. You have the retaining plate, you have the bar, you have the mechanism, and then you have the part that goes into the trigger itself. Now, you should have all of these parts in your kit. Now, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your trigger, you're going to take this, and you're going to set it right with the biggest part facing up, just like that. There's no spraying or anything that goes in there, it just sets right there. Now, once you have that down, you're going to go back into your AK, and you're going to put down that. You're going to take the pin that you just took out, and sorry, we had to get a mat because this thing was slipping too much, so pardon the interruption. Now, once you have this installed, you're going to take the retaining plate and then right there, pop it right there so it lines up with that hole, as you can see. And then from there, you're going to take your selector lever and you're going to take this piece, face it, these little metal parts away from you and the hole facing the top. You're going to slide it right over, just like so. And now, for the last and final part, and the part you got to be the most patient for, is you're going to take this bar right here. You're going to take this little piece that sticks out. You're going to slide that into the hole right there. So you're going to line that up with the hole. Like so, to where that bar, and show that right there, how it's laying right inside here, like so. And once that is fully installed, you're going to close your selector. Make sure, double check, make sure everything is situated where it needs to be. And then now, you're going to let these wires back down onto your trigger. Pop them down right there. Might need to move the trigger around a little bit for the make room. Right there. Put the hammer. Push that down so that there's a little easier to push down your bolt carrier. Like that. Put a recoil spring in. Install the dust cup. Function test, you're going to pull the trigger, pull the bolt back, right forward, and if the hammer went forward, like you just saw, that means you're perfect. So, off the trigger, bolt doesn't move, hammer doesn't move. And as you can see, it is assisting the reset of this trigger, and as you can see, it's pushing it back in my finger. So, we're all set and ready to go. And that is our assisted reset trigger system install video.